Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Instagram notifications and enjoy a little more peace and quiet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off Instagram likes and comments notifications from appearing on your lock screen. This is the updated method, and it's super easy to follow. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone's settings. This is where you can manage all your app preferences and notifications. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. This will open up Instagram's app settings. Now, look for the option that says Notifications and tap on it. This is where you can control exactly what kind of notifications Instagram is allowed to send you. Within the Instagram notification settings, scroll down until you see the section called Likes and Comments on Photos of You. Tap on this option to open up more detailed settings. Here's the important part. Find the setting labeled Lock Screen. Tap on it and you'll see a few choices. Select Don't Show Notification. This means that any likes or comments on your Instagram photos won't pop up on your lock screen anymore. And that's it. You've just taken a big step towards a more distraction-free phone experience. Now, you can check Instagram likes and comments on your own time, without them popping up every time you glance at your lock screen. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow these steps again and choose the setting you prefer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.